Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Students, tomorrow is your examination of English, and in that regarding, I'm going to explain something about the examination. First of all, let me tell you, examination is the part of your career, and why the examination are held at schools, because to make you the best version. Examinations are held at various schools, various institutes, just because of to make you the best version. That's why examinations are to be conducted by different institutes or different states. So you think it as it's a part of your career. So whenever you are going through the examinations, first of all, prepare yourself, get ready with all the tools that you have, as you are going to involve in a fight. As our soldiers, our heroes that go to fight for the purpose of their own, for the purpose of ourselves, for others. In the same way, if you are going to face the examination, mean to say you are going to make yourself better than every day. So your examination is based on MCQs, multiple choice questions, and number of questions will be 40. There will be 40 questions that will appear in the examination, and you have to attempt all the 40 questions, and all the 40 questions are divided into two parts: language and literature. As how many lessons are to be taught will be asked in the examinations. And one thing is very important to you all. When you are going to attempt all the questions, you don't need to skip, you don't need to cheat. If you are going through any sites and getting the answers from that sites, it means you are cheating yourself, you are deceiving yourself, you are not going to mark someone else's career but yours. So keep in mind, whenever you are going through the examinations, always be proactive. Proactive means you are already taking all the steps which are needed in the examination. So students, number of questions will be of 40, and number of questions are divided on the basis of literature and language as well. Countable, uncountable noun, just basic questions are to be asked in the examinations. You need to focus each and every questions, and you have to spend time on that particular sentence. Most of the students are very hasty. They just want to scroll the questions and wasting their time. If you do the same thing in the examination, it means you are just wasting your time, as well as your points, your marks that will add to your result. So whenever you go through the questions, first of all read the questions very carefully and try to comprehend what does it mean, what are being asked by the teachers, what they want from you. Try to get it. Okay, students. So literature portions, literature portions are to be asked, and everyone, and the PDF of that schedules were sent to you, and you all know that from where the questions are to be asked. And one thing I tell you, and that is very important, if you have time for the preparation of your examinations, why don't you go through the Google. Suppose this is the question is based on MCQs, and you can get lots of questions from Google if you type the chapter's name. If suppose you are going through the line, you want to study noun, and you don't have any idea about that particular topic, which you have learned a lot, a lot about that particular topic about noun, but you don't know how to get it and how to appear in the examination regarding what type of questions are to be asked from noun, then the Google will help you a lot. Just type nouns and based on MCQs, nouns questions based on MCQs, and it will give you a slot, and that slot will help you a lot. Why don't you practice over there? Use your mobile in a positive way. Don't waste your time. I hope you all are getting my point. Suppose if you have any doubt after making this video, if anyone else not getting my point what I was explaining in the video, so text me. I will try to resolve your problem as soon as possible. But students, you have to take the first step and keep in mind you are going to appear in the examination, so don't cheat. This will mar your career. You are just going to put the feet on the axe. I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.